One orange cup reversed my aging clock completely. 3 years ago at 52, I felt decades older than my actual age. My joints ached every morning, my energy crashed by 2 p.m., and my skin looked dull despite expensive creams. Then my nutritionist suggested something ridiculously simple that I almost dismissed entirely. She recommended drinking fresh carrot and orange juice daily. What happened next shocked me more than any supplement ever could. The Harvard School of Public Health conducted extensive research on carotenoid consumption and aging. They discovered that people consuming high levels of beta-carotene and vitamin C showed significantly slower cellular aging markers. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published findings linking this combination to improved longevity after age 50. But here's the incredible science behind why this works so effectively. Carrots contain beta-carotene that converts to vitamin A in your liver. This nutrient rebuilds cellular membranes and supports de novo repair mechanisms. Oranges provide vitamin that produces collagen and neutralizes free radicals simultaneously. My personal transformation began with 1 cup every morning at exactly 7 a.m. Within 2 weeks, people started commenting on my improved appearance. By month 2, my energy levels matched those from a decade earlier. After 3 months, blood tests showed remarkable improvements across multiple health markers. The synergistic effect creates benefits neither ingredient provides alone. Beta-carotene absorption increases dramatically when consumed with vitamins. This combination enhances antioxidant activity by 300% compared to consuming either nutrient separately, according to nutritional biochemistry research. Dr. David Sinclair's longevity research highlights how antioxidants slow cellular aging processes. His Harvard lab found that consistent antioxidant intake activates sirtuins, proteins that regulate cellular repair. This drink provides concentrated antioxidants in highly bioavailable forms. Preparation method significantly affects nutrient content and absorption rates. Juice fresh organic carrots and oranges immediately before consumption. Oxidation begins destroying nutrients within minutes of extraction. Never store fresh juice longer than 30 minutes for maximum benefits. Timing your consumption optimizes nutrient absorption dramatically. Drink on an empty stomach for fastest absorption into bloodstream. Wait 30 minutes before eating to avoid diluting digestive enzymes. Morning consumption provides energy that lasts throughout the entire day. Start with half portions if you're not accustomed to concentrated nutrients. Begin with half cup daily and gradually increase over 1 week. Some people experience mild digestive changes as their system adjusts to increased fiber and nutrients. Quality ingredients make enormous differences in therapeutic effects. Choose organic carrots to avoid pesticide residues that counteract benefits. Select oranges with deep color indicating higher vitamin content. Freshness directly correlates with nutrient density and healing potential. Watch for these remarkable changes during your health journey. Increased morning energy becomes noticeable within the first week. Skin clarity and brightness improve significantly by week 3. Joint comfort and mobility enhance throughout the first month consistently. The Mediterranean diet research validates this combination's anti-aging properties. Populations consuming high amounts of orange and yellow vegetables show reduced inflammation markers. Their cardiovascular health remains superior well into advanced age compared to other dietary patterns. My morning ritual now centers around this simple yet powerful practice. I juice 2 large carrots with 1 medium orange fresh daily. The preparation time becomes meditative, creating mindful moments that enhance overall wellness benefits naturally. Fiber content provides additional digestive benefits beyond just vitamins. Carrot fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria that produce short-chain fatty acids. These compounds reduce inflammation throughout the body and support immune function significantly. Combine this drink with morning sunlight exposure for amplified anti-aging effects. Vitamin synthesis works synergistically with carotenoids for optimal cellular protection. Walk outside while drinking your fresh juice for maximum therapeutic benefits. Potassium from both ingredients supports cardiovascular health after 50. This mineral regulates blood pressure naturally and reduces stroke risk. Adequate potassium intake becomes increasingly important as kidney function naturally declines with age. Track your progress using simple daily energy assessments. Rate your energy from 1 to 10 each morning and evening. Photograph your skin monthly to document visible improvements. These records help maintain motivation during your transformation journey.